Hey, welcome to the channel. Stock Up 42 here. We do app reviews, make money from home, ways to earn passive income, crypto investing and other money-making strategies. Apparently I have to give a disclaimer before we get started. I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research and invest at your own risk. This video is for educational purposes only. With that out of the way, let's dive right in. Today we are going to take a look at Fiverr and how you can use it in various ways to earn money online. First, I'd like to remind you that if you are looking for a safe and reliable cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency, I would consider Binance. There will be a link in the description of the video. So in order to start with Fiverr, you will need to download the app and create an account. I will put a link in the description of the video for you. There are many different ways to make money on Fiverr. Today we will take a look at few of these, and I will be doing a series on the different techniques, so please subscribe to the channel. Not only can you buy tons of different services, you can also be a seller on Fiverr. The top right hand corner you will see 4 small squares. Click on these to see a list of different categories to choose from, such as graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, data, business, and lifestyles. We're going to take a look at graphics and design. Then select game art. Here you see a list of sellers that are selling various game design, game assets, and digital art. The small number in parentheses are how many orders they have completed. As you can see, they have made several thousands of dollars. And if you can make digital art, this is just one way you can earn money. You just need to create a seller's account and make a listing. Then someone interested in your work will message you and you discuss what prices you can do the work and in the time frame it will take you to complete the work. Now, if you're not good at creating digital art, you can order from someone with good reviews and have them make it for you and resell it at a higher price than you paid. Remember, there will be links in the description of the video for Binance and Fiverr. I will also leave some links to some other great opportunities. I plan on making more videos on Fiverr soon, so please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it to your social media like Facebook. Thanks for being part of the community, and your donations of any amount are greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching and have a great day.